that's at least 30 years of soap right there, okay?
First of all, the jazz came from New Orleans is irrefutable. You can even arguably bring jazz back to a particular neighborhood of New Orleans. Within a 5 or 6 square block area, you've got the figures that not only were pioneers in New Orleans jazz, they were the people that brought it up north and first made records that we still have today. The predecessor traditions that helped give us jazz, brass band funeral parades, Mardi Gras Indians, sanctified church music, all of those things were present there in the 1880s, 1890s, etc. They're still there now. Buddy Bolden's congregation still meets and prays every Sunday.
The stories about Buddy Bolden was he was the first guy that was able to take the church and the blues and the ragtime and the classical music and put it all together, you know, and kind of end up with what we think was the first jazz. Really, New Orleans music is all about a conversation.
You may play a certain song and that song triggers something emotional for somebody, a memory or something, and people are crying. You play a joyful song and people are dancing, right? So you're able to see just the power that music has.
I think the important thing to think about with jazz is that it is the change of the artist from the composer of a piece to the performer of the piece, whereby the performer emotes through their interpretation of a song, adding their own blue notes, stretching notes up and down, improvising, riffing off the melody, and adding a syncopation. When you put them all together and play popular American songs, you are becoming, as the musician, the one creating the art and communicating with the audience via your music.
The different cultures, French, Spanish, Indian, African American, even some of the Italians, everybody plays a role in some type of jazz. So it makes you think of family most of all.
And learning what the narrative history of jazz is. And I learned it was very, very different from what was represented in a lot of the books out there. Well, let's tell the history of jazz, but let's tell it correctly.